Join your palms in Namaskara Mudra. We'll start with Omkara. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Feel the sound resonance throughout the body. Slowly bring your hands down. Inhale. Stretch your arms upwards, biceps touching the ears. You'll go to Tadasana. Interlock your fingers and lift your heels up and stretch your whole body from toes to fingertips. Stretch. And exhale. Bring your heels down. Relax. And arch the spine. While exhaling, push your hip back. Slowly bend forward. Upper body should be parallel to the ground. And stretch your arms upwards. Feel the stretch in your lower back, calf muscle. Further exhalation, completely bend forward from your lumbar region. Abdomen touching the thighs. Place your palms beside the foot and drop your head down. Padahastasana. Now release the head. Now hold your left ankle with the right hand and push your right shoulder in. Left hand up. And feel the stretch in your right side of the body. Then we'll do other side. Now hold your right ankle with the left hand. Now left shoulder in. And look up. Keep your legs straight. Come back to center. Bend your knees. Inhale. Come to Utkatasana. Feel the stretch in your thighs and push your tailbone in. Look front. Inhale, make your legs straight. Relax your thighs. Take left leg back. Legs should be in the same line. Right leg 90 degree. Keep your left leg straight and heel touching the ground. Stretch your hands forward. While inhaling, make your right leg straight and slowly bring your hands in, fingers pointing inwards, and touch your head down. Collapse your neck muscle. We'll go to triangle posture, Trikona. Place your right palm and push your lower back forward, chest forward, and stretch your left hand up. Look at the fingertips. Now, next asana, Parirutta Trikonasana. Now, left hand down. Completely twist your upper body and look at the right fingertips. Make sure your shoulders should be in the same line. Come back to center. Right leg 90 degree. Exhale. Now, place your right elbow on your right thigh and stretch your left hand upwards. Look at the fingertips. Parshva Konasana. Now we'll do Parivrtta Parshvakonasana. Again, right leg 90 degree. Keep your back leg straight, left heel touching the ground, and place your left bicep on your right thigh. Adopt Namaskar Mudra and completely twist the body. Look up. Come back. Dandasana. Now bend the elbows, exhale, go down. Inhale, come to Bhujangasana. Release the toes. Your navel should come between the elbows. Stretch your neck muscles and expand the chest. Parvatasana. Look at the navel, heels touching the ground, legs straight. Now we'll repeat this asanas other side. Bring your left leg forward. Now keep your right leg straight, heel touching the ground. Now left leg 90 degree, stretch your arms forward. Inhale, slowly make your legs straight and fingers pointing inwards, and touch your head to the left knee. Keep your both legs straight. Now Trikona. Push your lower back forward and bend in the same plane and stretch your right hand upwards. Look at the fingertips. Feel the stretch in your side muscles. Parivrtta Trikonasana. Place your right palm down and take left hand up. Twist your waist. Shoulders should be in the same line. Hand leg straight and look up. Come back to center. Exhale. Bend your left leg 90 degree. Parshvakonasana. Place your left elbow on your left thigh. Stretch your right hand upwards and look at the fingertips. Your hand, upper body, legs should be in the same line. Parivrtta Parshvakonasana. Now place your right bicep on your left thigh. Namaskar Mudra and twist. Look up. Release. Come back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale. Bend your elbows and go down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Bend back. Exhale, Parvatasana or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now come to Shashankasana. First sit in Vajrasana, then knees apart, hip touching the heels, and stretch your arms forward and relax your shoulders, arms, and feel the beautiful stretch in your lower back, hip joint. Completely relax. Now we'll do tiger breathing. Stand on your knees and palms. Without bending your elbows, arch the spine, push your tailbone in, middle back and cervical part. Look up. Exhale, push your head down and push your spine upwards. Feel the stretch. Again we will repeat few more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax in Shashankasana. Come back to Dandasana. Now take right leg outside of your right palm. Slowly bring your left knee down. Now we will do Raja Kapottanasana, pigeon posture. Step 1. Slowly bring your right knee down and slide your left leg back and little towards the right. Sit comfortably and loosen your shoulders, hip joint, bend back. Feel the stretch in your lower back and right side sciatica nerve. Now step 2. Exhale, bend forward. Now we'll do step 3. Pigeon. Slowly take your right leg in and sit straight. While exhaling, slowly fold your left leg and take right hand back and hold the ankle joint and look back. Feel the stretch upper thigh. Release. Now take right leg back and relax. Now we'll do other side. Dandasana position. Now take left leg out. Now we'll do step 1. Slowly bring your left knee down. Yes. Now inhale. Slowly bend back. Stretch your neck muscles and collapse the shoulders. Step 2. Exhale, bend forward. Head down. Slowly come up. Now pigeon posture. While exhaling, fold the leg. Take left hand back and hold the ankle joint and bend back. Release. Take left leg back. Relax. Relax in Shashankasana. Relax your thighs, back, Come back to Vajrasana and